Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Nintendo Switch. First, carefully unbox your new Nintendo Switch console and all its accessories. You'll find the console, Joy-Con controllers, the dock, and the AC adapter. Connect the AC adapter to the console and plug it into a wall outlet. Then, slide the Joy-Con controllers onto the sides of the console until you hear a click. Finally, press the power button on the top of the console to turn it on. This gets us started with the basic physical setup. Once powered on, the console will guide you through the initial on-screen setup. You'll need to select your preferred language and region first. Next, connect your Switch to your home Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for updates and online play. After that, review and accept the end-user license agreement. Finally, you'll have the option to create a new Nintendo account or link an existing one, which unlocks many features like the eShop and cloud saves. Now, let's get your Switch connected to your TV for a big screen experience. Open the back cover of the Nintendo Switch dock. Inside, you'll connect the AC adapter to the top port and an HDMI cable to the bottom port. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into an available HDMI input on your television. Finally, carefully slide your Nintendo Switch console into the dock, ensuring the screen faces forward. Your TV should automatically detect the signal, or you may need to select the correct HDMI input. With your Switch set up, it's time to play. For physical games, simply insert the game cartridge into the slot on the top of the console. For digital titles, head to the Nintendo eShop and download them using your Nintendo account. The system will likely prompt you for software updates, which are important for performance and new features, so allow these to install. You can also explore system settings to customize parental controls, calibrate controllers, or adjust display options for your optimal gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.